Another major release, 4.4.2, is now out. It's now for the July update. We're going through the signups and forget password enhancements. Let's go through it. For the new sign up feature, what we have is this great process where you're able to add in your details, get clarity about the organization. It's a lot more smoother than it was in 3.6, and it makes it really easy to add your team. The more improved security measurement, which is the authentication process to get your account activated. You don't need to get us to do it for you. It's all done on the platform itself, and that is an amazing step forward for us. Forgot password feature. If you go to the login page, you'll see there's a link there. It will send you an email notification to help reset your password. Quick, easy few steps. Now we can also search in products and we can search in bundles. At the top, you're going to see the new search bar, which allows you to do the same functionality as you can do with orders, where you can search for the title of the product, the SKU of the product, and the barcode of the product. If you put in any of those identification, you should be able to get a short list in the search function, both on your products and your bundles on the list pages. If you need to see all the tracking URLs of all your orders in a CSV export, it's been tagged into the cost analysis report to help find with the reports all the tracking links. And then you'll be able to get your tracking URLs with all the cost data as well. In the report of inventory, we used to only show on hand. What we've done now is shown also available. So that way there's clarity on information on how many you have in the warehouse and how many have already been booked out with orders that you have created. If you select a specific date and the warehouse, the filter will change some of the variables of those availabilities. So just make sure when you do that check, you have that in mind. So what we've done is resolve the authentication related issues that was causing some of those login session inconsistencies. That has been fixed. When you deleted a category on your category page, that category page used to take you to a blank screen. That's also been fixed up as well. And that is 4.4.2 in a nutshell. If you're this far into the video, I just want to let you know that we are going to be removing completely 3.6 by the end of July. We're looking at the 1st of August to do 3.3.4. We're looking to...
That's a lot of numbers.
It's a lot of numbers. The next release that we're looking to bring out is 4.4.3, and that will be a really big update. We're going to have a huge video about that, and that will be the legacy ending of 3.6. That will end, and it will just be the new version 4. And hopefully, that will create the inconsistency of jumping between the two platforms. So for those who have been with us through this process, thank you so much for your patience for us to get these features onto the new platform and also transitioning between the two. I want to apologize for all those challenges that have happened. In about September to October, which is the brush period for us, as we all know, for online e-commerce, that should be all nice and cleared away. So I hope you enjoy this new update and release, and I look forward to sharing with you on the next one, which will be about settings, and that will be a really good release to talk to you about, and I'll see you in the next one then. Bye.